Hello all. Before we begin the video, let's discuss CloudFoundation. CloudFoundation is the premier online training platform to help individuals and organizations gain knowledge and skills in the ever-growing cloud computing industry.
Correct. This is MDF and 4. 1-to-1. Is it clear? Yes. Okay. So why I am showing you? Because this type of a requirement only comes when you are into implementation project. Because once the project is being implemented, then you don't have to do any changes in the organization structure configuration. This is a one-time activity when you are setting up the organization structure for your customer in the system. Once it is being done, then you don't have to do anything. Okay. I'm just deleting it because I want to make the system back to normal. Okay. I shown you the configuration, how it is being done. Okay. Any questions from you? So this is how we are doing the association. Okay. That is the second scenario which we have seen. MDF to foundation. Foundation to MDF. If you recall, I covered this foundation to MDF in the copy data model XML. The code. Had I covered it? Had I shown you? We showed the XML. HLSI elements. Is that correct? Yeah. Under that we were having the option of association also. Let me open the XML also. So this we have completed in the previous sessions. XML. So when I go into the table view, so under copy data model, under the HLSI element, if you go and see here, we have discussed about ID label, HLS field. Can you see association also? It is showing here. Okay. So when you take location. So when I will go and take location here. So let me go and take location, is a foundation, right? So manage all job, all pay and job structure. When I open the location. Okay. I am opening the record for the location. So you can see there is association, right? Location and legal entity. Correct. So how many associations are there in this? For if you want to see, we will go back into the XML. And here in the location. Is my screen visible? Okay. When I go into the association and when I click on the tree structure, here you can see association again. I click on the plus sign. And when I scroll down, you can see how many associations are there. There are two associations, one-to-one and one-to-many. One is for geo zone and one is for legal entity. Correct. And here required equal to false means it is not mandatory. Okay. So when I go and if I want to show you. So one association is location with legal entity. Correct. Yes. Okay. So that is the reason. Here you have a plus sign, because it is one too many. Okay. Here you can see one too many for the legal entity means. Again, you can able to add if it is required. Okay. And another association is location and geozone. Can you see a geozone? Okay. This is one-to-one. Can you see one-to-one? Okay. Got it. So this we are doing it. So when I go and see this is in the table, if I want to see it in the source, also in the source, if I go end of the custom field, we can able to go and see. So let me scroll down and show you the code. After the completion of all the custom field, it will be showing. Then decimal will be there. This is the last custom field. So when I go and see, can you see here the association code which starts from here and which ends here? Okay. So this code also. You can see ID. We should not do anything here. We can see the multiplicity, we can change here one-to-one or one-to-many destination, also we can able to go and change here required, also we can specify here. So this is the code which has been showing here. Okay, from the source. Any questions here? This is the another type, that is the third type, that is F42 MDF. Correct. So if we want to see what are the other type of association which is there. So you can see we have association with pay range also, correct. So here also it is showing pay range. So when I go on to see the pay range, when I click on the association, and when I scroll down you can see one-to-one pay grade, geozone and legal entity. Okay, so if I want to show you in the system pay range, so here pay range, you can see here when I go to the make correction. Can you see here below pay grade, geozone and legal entity? All are one-to-one only. Okay, so pay range connected with pay grade, pay range connected with geozone, pay rate connect, pay range connected with legal entity, all multiplicity are one-to-one. Okay. So this is the third method, how we can able to do it from the XML. Okay. Either from the table view or from the source view. Okay, got it. Any questions here? Okay. This is the scenario where before migration, where it is defined. After migration, where it is defined. Okay, what are the type that is valid when in multiplicity and what are the multiplicity? Multiplicity that is 1 to 1 and 1 to many? Okay. So here we comes to the association also.
And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.